we're going for a walk on the beach.
So peaceful here. What's your shirt say?
It says Newport. I love Newport. I love Newport. I love coming here and going for a walk here in the evening. It's nice and peaceful here. It's so peaceful and it's so relaxing here.
Sasquatch Beach.
But I don't know where.
Bonfire.
You're at a beach bonfire right now.
That's cool.
It's cool. And there's a live band right behind us.
Fun thing, every week we're doing a giveaway. That's last week we giving away a Southwest Airlines gift card. This week was an Airbnb gift card, and every week we're doing different giveaways that have to do with making you guys get out there and wander just a little bit. So it's all part of our promotion for releasing this new album called Born to Wander. So hope to see you. Just born to Wander giveaways every Thursday night. We're releasing new giveaways. You can sign up for those for free. No cost at all. Just go to BenjaminO'Connor.com.
That's why I said you guys are too little, okay? We can do it for you guys.
We're announcing those winners on November 9th, so we hope to see you guys there at the release event. This next little song, I think, is best if our drummer takes it.
Here's a cheese.
You want to do this?
Here, you want Mama to do it? Let Mommy do it so you don't get too hot. It's hot. Put it in. I get it all over me.
A little Sublime for you guys. We're gonna make sure it's PG. Don't worry.
Early in the morning, rising to the street. Light me up and correct, and I'll strap shoes on my feet. Got to find the reason things went wrong. Got to find the reason why my money's all gone. I've got a foundation, I can still get high. I can play the guitar.
Alright, what's going on here?
Middletown Prevention Coalition celebrates Family Day.
It started way back in third grade. I used to sit beside in my little haze. I'll be dressed, matching bow in a ponytail.
We're going for a walk on the beach again.
Yeah, it's a little bit colder this time. Last day of September.
I love jumping rope. Who's there? What kind of birds are out there?
Piping plovers, little babies.